Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MDEVAAN and today we're going in the carrot direction. If you want glowing skin, oh my god. I noticed that my dad's skin was glowing, like seriously, and he doesn't go a day without taking a cup of this. Is either he takes it blended or he eats it straight, but he always takes carrots every day. And that's why I said to check up on carrots and lowers cholesterol, it reduces the risk of cancer, it keeps your vision sharp. Um, what else? Yes, it slows down memory loss. Or there was something else. It also prevents diabetes. Like there are just so many, and it promotes your bone health. Like there are just so many things that carrot is good for. That if you go through it, you're like, why am I not eating at least one carrot a day? It's also good for your eyesight. So let's get to blending. So you want to make sure that you blend smooth, like super smooth, so that it pours out well. And there you have it, your perfect carrot smoothie with just two ingredients, carrot and water. I hope you try this. It's really nice. It's a great addition. You don't have to be on a diet to take it. It could just be part of your morning routine. And trust me, your skin will glow. I've seen it. I've seen it firsthand. So there you have it. Hit the subscribe button, please. I love you.